What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of InTheLifeOfB. And who's B? That's me. Okay, we're in. Hold on. Yeah, I'm at the mall right now. My car's in the shop, so I need to kill some time, and I'm hungry, so we're gonna go eat and shop. So yeah, enjoy. Look at all this Christmas stuff. It's already out. I think I want to buy some. If they have like brown and gold and like cream, that'd be nice. Okay, let's see their ornaments. I'm not buying individual ornaments. That's expensive. Let's see. Those are cute.
Oh, I called you.
Ooh, these are cuter.
Looked at the dolls like you did.
I wonder if I should. I don't know. I don't know if I should like make my own stockings or buy them. It's looking like make. I still have some Sherpa fabric left. I can make some shake with that. Oh, I need a planter. Let's go check out the candles though. Okay, y'all know I'm a fruity, minty girl. These are heavy scents, I'm just not me. I want a big body candle. Sugared. Ooh, my bad. Yeah. That doesn't smell. Smells kind of good. How much is it? This looks cute. Thank you. All the cute candles are what I want, but who's paying $54 for a fucking candle? What does it smell like? It's not for me. Pumpkin eucalyptus. How does that even go together? I don't know. They did not have like eucalyptus mint. Or I should just go to Bath and Body Works. I should just go to Bath and Body Works. Could paint it. I need a planter with drainage holes, but not so deep like this. I need like wider and a bit more shallow. No. I'm pretty sure this is all they have. It has to be at least 4 inches deep. No. This is so annoying. See, this would work. But I'm gonna paint this because I don't like this design. But I need I need drainage holes. I don't know if I would drill it, if it'll crack. I have a feeling it will. This is so cute. Hello. I'm back in the car. That was a very big shopping fail. I don't know where to put this because they put me in a loaner and there's literally no way where it would stay. So yeah, I'm hungry. I feel faint. Girl. Oh. I'm in a Buick, y'all. I've never driven a Buick before. Okay, so we're gonna go to Stacked because I'm starving and I can't. Like, I can't focus when I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast, or yeah, breakfast is only 10:30, and then I might go to the movies and kill some time because I'm tired. I'm on the mood to shop actually, so yeah. I'm about to go to the mall, at a different mall, because girl, I went to the movies, watched The Woman King again, still top tier. I don't know what I'm looking for at the mall. I think I might hit up Sephora and get the Gloss Bomb Heat. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I just need to kill time. It's almost 4 o'clock and they're still not done, but it's okay. As long as I have like a way to get around. Maybe I need it to be done by today because they're not open tomorrow, they're not open Sunday, and they're not open on Monday because Canadian Thanksgiving that I completely forgot about. But yeah, so let's go.